Now beta, have a look on illustration number 28. From the following activities, calculate cash flow from financing activities. You have to calculate financing activities. Now have a look on the question. What is given to you? Shares, equity shares. 2 years data is given. 18 is given in front and 2017 is given at the back. So from here to here you will see the difference. 6 and 8. There is an increase of rupees 2 lakh. This is issue of equity shares. Then bache 2 lakh to 0. Preference share has been redeemed. All preference shares are redeemed, and from 0 to 1 lakh debentures are issued. Debentures are issued. So what we will write? Issue of equity shares. 6 to 8 means 2 lakh rupees. 6 lakh to 8 lakh means 2 lakh rupees. Then redemption of preference shares. Preference shares are redeemed rupees 2 lakh. 2 lakh to 0 means 2 lakh. Then bache issue of debentures. Issue of 14% debentures. 0 to 1 lakh means 1 lakh. Clear bache? These things shows the issue and redemption. Then additional informations are given to you. What is given? Equity share issued at a premium of 15%. Preference share were redeemed at a premium of 5% and debentures were issued at a premium of discount of 1%. So these three we have to consider. Premium will be added bache. Premium on equity share is 15%. 15% of 2 lakh will be 30,000. 15% of 2 lakh will be 30,000. It will be added. And redemption of preference share is also at premium 5%. So 5% of 2 lakh will be 10,000. 5% of 2 lakh will be 10,000. It will be added. Both premiums will be added, either it is of the issue or redemption. Then bache, debentures were issued at a discount of 1%. You have to calculate 1% of 1 lakh. That will be 1,000 only. So it is issued at rupees 99,000. And these are redeemed at 2,10,000. Redemption will be put in the bracket because this is outflow of cash. Negative figures will be shown in bracket bache. 3 adjustments we have done. Premiums will be added, either it is of issue or redemption. Then bache discount will be subtracted. Fourth adjustment, dividend paid on old preference share 24,000. Dividend paid 24,000. This is also outflow of cash. Then interest paid on debentures. This is bache 14,000. It will also be deducted. Okay. Then bache underwriting commission of equity shares 10,000. These shares we have issued with underwriters. So underwriting commission will be subtracted. Premiums will be added. Discount will be subtracted. Underwriting commission will be subtracted. So 2 lakh plus 30 minus 10. It will be 2 lakh 20,000. Issue price is 2 lakh 20,000. Now bache proposed dividend on equity shares of current year 2018 is given and 2019 is given. We always take previous year. Proposed dividend of 2017. But whatever was proposed, we have paid this year. We have proposed previous year, we have paid this year, so this will be paid off. 90,000. Answer is 19,000 minus. It is in bracket. When we have totaled up, it will be written as cash used in financing activity. Cash used in financing activities. Any doubt, bache? issue, we have to add the premiums, either issue or redemption, and discount will be subtracted, underwriting commission will be subtracted. Rest we have to write the dividend and interest. It was a dividend on preference shares, it was interest on debentures, and this was the dividend on equity shares. Answer was in minus, that's why we have written cash used in financing activity. Any doubt, bache? Just you have to remember one thing, bache. As per the new guidelines of CBSE, proposed dividend of previous year, just put the star over it. Proposed dividend of for previous year for the year ended 31st March 2017 is declared approved in this year. Hence, it will be added back in determining the profit before tax. In operating, it will be added, and in financing, it will be subtracted as outflow. Only previous year we have to take. It will be recorded in operating, it will be added in operating, the working note, and it will be subtracted from financing. The proposed dividend for current year will not be recorded anywhere, Vache. Put a star on it also. The proposed dividend for current year will not be recorded anywhere because no effect on cash flow statement. It is having no effect on either flow of cash. So, current year's proposed dividend you will avoid. Only previous year you will take twice. Once in operating and once in financing. Next question, bache. From the following particulars, from Rajeshwar Limited, calculate cash flow from operating activities and cash flow from financing activities. So first we will make the financing activities. Now this time 17 is given in front of 18. 18 is given at the back. So we will see the difference from here to here. Equity share 6 to 10. Preference share 4 to 3. Security premium 1 lakh to 2 lakh 60,000. It will be added in the issue of shares. Then debentures are issued, and discount on debenture is also increasing. Only difference you have to take. Only difference. Then underwriting commission on issue of shares. This will be taken. Bank overdraft is also a financing activity. Then bache, profit and loss is also operating, related to operating. So start making the financing activities. Question number 29. Cash flow from financing activities. Cash flow from financing activities. First is bache, we will write issue of shares 6 to 10, that means 4 lakh. Issue of equity shares 4 lakh rupees, 6 lakh to 10 lakh. Then bache, preference shares are redeemed. Redemption of preference shares, and this was 1 lakh. 4 to 3, that means 1 lakh. Then security premium 1 lakh to 2 lakh 60,000. So there is an increase of 1 lakh 60. You have to take the difference always. You have to take the difference. 1 lakh 60,000 will be taken. Then bache, debentures 2 lakh to 50,000. So it is increased. Issue of debentures. There is an increase of 50,000. Then discount on debenture 5 to 6. That means 1,000 is the discount. Then underwriting commission on shares. It will be subtracted from here. 4 lakh plus 160 minus 20. It will be 5 lakh 40,000 issue. Next bache, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft rupees 50,000. It is an increase in the overdraft. Bank overdraft rupees 50,000. You will take. This is inflow of cash. But whatever you have paid as the interest, it will be outflow of cash. And you have to take the figure of current year, the complete figure of current year. You have to put a star over it, that you have to pay the current year value of interest on bank overdraft. Then बच्चे, dividend paid is given to you. New debentures were issued on 31st March 2018. When the date of 18 is given, you have to charge the interest on 2017. You have to give the preference shares, the dividend on preference share, and then interest on debentures and proposed dividend on equity share also. So you will write dividend on preference share first. Dividend on preference shares. It will be dividend on preference share 18% dividend, because whatever the value is written in front of the preference share, that is the value of percentage of interest or dividend. So 18% of 4 lakh will be 72,000. Then after dividend to preference share, you have to give proposed dividend to equity shares. Obviously, proposed dividend on equity shares. Obviously, the previous year's value will be used. 15% of 6 lakh, it will be 90,000. Then you have to pay the interest on debentures. Percentage value is given 14% of 2 lakh, it will be 28,000. There was no decrease and increase, no premium and redemption. So when we will do the total, we will get 3,24,000. Positive answer. Here we will write cash flow from financing activities. You just have to remember, bache, if there is issue of shares, premium will be added and discount will be subtracted. Either it is issue or redemption, premium will be added, discount will be subtracted, underwriting commission will be subtracted. Then bank overdraft is also a financing activity, and interest whichever you have paid will be taken for current year's whole amount will be taken as interest paid. This is outflow of cash. Then you have to write the dividends and interest. Any doubt, beta?